Good morning, Brandeis Marin. Good morning, Lower School. I'm Mrs. R, and today is Friday, the 15th of May, 2020. We are finishing our 8th week of distance learning, and I want to congratulate all of you. You have done a wonderful job joining your classes, submitting your work, participating, and I hope having a good time. Today, I wanted to start talking about something that I find very interesting in math. I'm going to start with an example. For instance, you are listening to the weather report, and the weather person says, tomorrow there is a 90% chance of rain. What? You have planned a picnic with your family, and you're super excited about it. But if it's a 90% chance of rain, that is 9 chances out of 10. It's pretty likely that it will rain tomorrow. So you change your plans, you move your picnic plans indoors, you change your menu, you change the time, and you're ready to go. But the next morning you wake up and it's perfectly beautiful, clear sky and sunny. What happened? Well, we said it was a 90% chance of rain, which means that it was 9 out of 10 chances. It was likely that it was going to rain, but not certain. That is the math called probability, which is the math of predictions. But what is a prediction? Prediction isn't exactly a guess because a guess could just be out of nowhere. A prediction takes some information or data and it kind of blends it with something you don't know, something that is uncertain. So there's a little bit of guesswork. You could be right, you could be wrong, but a probability is really based on some different mathematical formulae. So, in the case of our picnic, there was information that our weather person knew, and there was probably some currents or clouds or any other indicators, but it doesn't always work out, right? Here's another example. Say you are wondering what vegetable you're going to have for dinner tonight, and you know that it might be broccoli. What's the chance of you actually having broccoli? Well, if you only have broccoli in your refrigerator, it's pretty high. That's a high probability. If you have lots of vegetables in your refrigerator, then it may not be quite so high, or it might be not high at all. And say your dad or your mom puts 2 vegetables out on the table and you have to choose one, and one is broccoli. It's probably about a 50% chance that you will choose broccoli, or right in the middle. So we're going to talk more about probability next week. But in the meantime, what I want for you is to have a wonderful weekend, a restful Shabbat, and to have a good time, and to think about chances, and to think about likeliness, and to think about unlikeliness. And when we talk next week, we will look at some examples of those. So have a wonderful weekend. Shabbat Shalom.